My students recently got to watch a performance by Tom Knight, children's music artist, and it was all about being an upstander. It's about anti-bullying, and it's so engaging, fun, musical, and your kids are going to love it. He has slides, songs, movement activities, engaging moments for kids that allow them to think about what it means to help those who are being bullied and how to keep themselves from becoming a bully. You will love having him come to your school, interact with your kids, and they will not forget the songs, and you will be left with resources that you can use over and over again in your classroom to help kids really continue to engage and commit to this information. All you have to do is give him a call or contact him through his website or through email, and he can share more with you about this great experience that I got to share with my own students.
They were upstanders. They were upstanders.